Welcome to my channel Ease Math. This is Neelima. Today we are going to discuss about synthetic division of polynomials. Synthetic division comparatively takes very less time and space than traditional long division method, which is very useful in competitive exams. Divide x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 by x plus 1. This is our dividend polynomial and this is our divisor. Before going to synthetic division, we have to make sure 2 points. First one, the dividend polynomial should be in the standard form. That means all the powers of x are in descending order. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. If you observe, all the powers of x are in descending order. Second point, the divisor polynomial should be a linear polynomial. That means this polynomial is of degree 1. Now we are going to the synthetic division part. First of all, we have to write the coefficients of dividend polynomial. What is the coefficient of x cube? It is 1. Write it here. What is the coefficient of x square? Minus 3. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 9. What is the constant term? Minus 5. What is the 0 or root of this polynomial? That is minus 1. In case if you don't know how to find out the 0 of this polynomial, just equate it to 0. That means x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 1. So this minus 1 is the 0 of this polynomial. Write it here. Minus. You have to write this minus 1 here. In this synthetic division, you have to bring down the first number as it is. So bring down this as it is. 1. Next, we have to multiply diagonally these two numbers. Minus 1 into 1, that will give you minus 1. Write it here. Next, add these two numbers, minus 3, minus 1. That will give you minus 4. Next, again you have to multiply diagonally these two numbers. Minus 1 into minus 4, that will give you 4. Add these two numbers, minus 5 plus 4, that will give you minus 5. Again multiply these two numbers diagonally. Minus 1 into minus 5, that will give you 5. Write it here. Add these two numbers, you are getting 0. This last number is our remainder. So in this particular sum, the remainder is 0. These numbers are important. 1, minus 4, minus 5. Our dividend polynomial. What is the dividend? What is the degree of this dividend polynomial? That is 3. And we are dividing this polynomial with x plus 1, which is a polynomial of degree 1. Then the quotient polynomial should be a polynomial of degree 2. Here these numbers are the quotients of that quotient polynomial. So here this minus 5 is a constant term and this minus 4 is a coefficient of x and this 1 is a coefficient of x square. So this is our quotient polynomial. Now we are going to write it here. X square minus 4x minus 5. That means when we divide this polynomial by this polynomial, we got this. I hope you like this video. If it is helpful, like it and share it. Thank you.